Hey everyone, are you struggling to get more patients for your dental clinic? What if I told you there is a free and powerful tool to attract new patients every single month for free? So it's nothing but Google reviews. And I'm Sajjan Satish, co-founder of Patients Overflow. And in this video, I'll show you how one simple strategy can help you get at least 50 to 100 reviews every single month, and why it's also a game changer for your dental practice. So let's start with this quick document I just made for you guys. So let's start with why Google reviews are so important. Because you guys need to know that 93% of the people read reviews before they choose a clinic, especially when it comes to anything related to their health. And Google reviews are the first impression for potential patients. So not only do they build trust and credibility, but they also boost your ranking on Google. For example, doing SEO will take you like months to years to see some sort of results, and it's very difficult to get on top of search results, especially if you're in a competitive area. So Google reviews, it's very fast, and you can rank on top 3 in the first 2 to 3 weeks if you do things properly. I'll be showing you what you can do to rank on top on Google. So this profile that you see on the right side is it's called GMB, Google Business Profile. So when somebody searches dental clinic, dentist near me, dental clinic near me, tooth emergency dental care, all these keywords, based on your reviews and how close they are, how close your clinic is to them, the certain metrics Google looks at. Based on that, Google throws up the results, and it's always the first two to three search results that takes all the patients. So you need to make sure that you rank on at least top 2, because that alone will easily bring you around, depending on the competitive area or depending on the search volumes, you can easily get 30 to 40 appointments easy, and that's completely free. And usually I've seen in certain, even in remote locations in Canada, not in extreme remote, I've seen search volumes like, 150 to 300 for certain, keywords. So that is something you need to have in mind, because these are absolutely free traffic, free, patients coming to your clinic without doing any sort of marketing. You're not spending $0. You're spending $0 on ads or any form of marketing. And so not only do they build trust and credibility, but they also boost your ranking in short. That means the more visibility your clinic has on Google, the more clicks you will get, and ultimately more patients walk through your door. So now here's the impact of having strong reviews, right? Clinics with like 50 plus reviews receive twice as you can see here, twice as many patient inquiries compared to those with less reviews. And if your rating is 4.5 or higher, even I would say for above 4-star, you're 3 times more likely to be chosen by patients. And this is why reviews aren't just nice to have, it's essential for growing your clinic. I'll share my personal story. I recently went to a chiropractor, and the way I picked him was just through reviews. I spent around $200, $300 there, and he had like 2,000 reviews compared to the other clinics that had very less reviews. Even I got Invisalign done, and one of the reasons I got it done was because the clinic got crazy good reviews on Google. So that's something you need to have in mind. And here are 5 proven ways to get at least 50 to 100 reviews quickly in the first 2 weeks. So you can ask patients right after their appointment, and timing is very important here. And you can send SMS and email requests with a direct link to your Google profile where they can leave a review and make it easy for them. Or you can incentivize them in the you can incentivize by giving them small incentive like Amazon gift card or nearby any supermarket vouchers, and always offer a small thank you gift, like even if they're at the clinic, you can offer a small pack of toothbrush or anything like that. It's a great incentive. And always highlight the review process during checkout, like your front desk team can remind them before they leave. and use in-clinic signage like a poster or a digital display saying, hey, we'd love to get your feedback on Google. So here you can also see a small, this is a SMS that we send for the clinics we work with. So we have a software for this that completely takes care of these stuff. And so if you want to save time, you can even automate this process. You can use tools that send review requests automatically after every request, every visit. So these platforms even remind patients who don't respond initially. Like we use our own software for all the patients. You can see here in the last 6 months we can see how many reviews we got and what's the overall is it positive reviews, is it negative, and we have a AI system that automatically replies back after 5 minutes once someone leaves a review. If it's positive, it responds accordingly. If it's negative review, the AI responds accordingly. Your Google GMB, Google profile is completely taken care by our software. And your dental software should also be able to follow up with people after 1 day of them leaving the clinic after the appointment. And these are some of the ways you can do to automate and reduce your workload. You can assign to your receptionist as well, especially for getting the reviews when they're about to leave. And you can. So let me just go to the next slide. So that's things when it comes to the automations, because automation ensures consistency and it helps you to collect reviews quickly and regularly, so your numbers keep growing. And it's very nice to look at the dashboard when you see the reviews going up. You can see the number of calls going up because of that, and it's a snowball effect that usually kicks in. You can see the results in at least in less than 2 weeks if you use the software. You can take your patient list, send them an SMS or email through the software, and that alone can get you up to 100 200 reviews based on a patient list if you do it through a software. And so let's say what in scenarios where you get negative reviews. In these scenarios, you need not panic because it happens to everyone. And so in this scenario, what you can do is you can respond politely and promptly, show empathy and offer to resolve the issue offline, and encourage your happy patients to leave more reviews, so which will kind of naturally outweigh the negative reviews. And remember, how you handle reviews, good or bad, reflects your professionalism. So yeah, that's something you need to have in mind. So let me share a quick case study of Dr. Sean. He's from Canada. When we started working with him, he had less than 40 around 39 reviews, 39, 40 reviews. And we implemented these strategies, and in just 3 weeks, he jumped to 86 reviews. And as a result, this clinic they're ranking in the top 5 at the moment, because there are other clinics with around 200, 250, 300 reviews as competitors. So we consulted him to get the reviews when they're about to leave. All the strategies we spoke about here, and so this proves that small consistent actions leads to big result. Now they're ranking in top 5, and in next 1 month they are ranking in the top 3. That alone should bring them additional of 50 to 70 phone calls to appointments. You can do the conversions, and you can do the numbers, because in this location when we checked, there were around 300 searches for emergency dental care alone, and it was always the top 3 clinics on the search results that was taking it up. And getting more reviews to rank up on top, it takes less than 2 weeks, guys. It's a magic actually, because you can see the result instantly. It's like there is a wow factor to it, whereas SEO takes years to months, And so I thought of preparing a small what you guys can do to get started. So. What you guys can do for this is just a 30-day plan to get at least 50 to 100 reviews based on your patient list size and footfall. So start asking every patient for a review immediately after their visit. That's something you guys can do. Set up an email, SMS review system. You can use it through a dental software you guys use, or we have our own software. So the clinics that we work with, we implement it for them. And so we have an AI system that also follows with the patients after 1 day of them, 1 day of their appointment. And so you can also, we have a monitor. We monitor the reviews weekly and respond to all of them. It's also done by AI, like I showed you before. And consider using automation tools to keep your process effortless. And so if you're ready to if you're ready to boost your reviews and grow your practice, we can help you with that. So we work with clinics and help them increase the revenue by 30% in 6 months. And we can implement all these strategies very fast during the onboarding. And our team specializes in, specifically for this. And you can click the link below to book a free strategy session with us. And let's make your practice the go-to location in your area. And we also guarantee 25 free paid appointments every month when you work with us. And now you might think, what is prepaid? Prepaid is basically to increase the show-up rate of the patients. You can watch other videos in this channel. We have case studies where we walk through this. We charge a card on file of $20. So when they show up at the clinic, we refund it. We qualify patients based on what job do they do, their credit score, can they afford the treatment. We also kind of marinate them on the call. Our call center does this before they book it into the software, or sometimes we live transfer it to the receptionist and she books it into the dental software. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please feel free to hit the bell icon. I'm new to this, so click hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips to grow your clinic. And yeah, see you in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.